The objective for this video is to learn how to use the TI graphing calculator to find a probability associated with a normally distributed random variable. According to Census.gov, the average square footage of a house in the United States in the year 2015 was 2,687 square feet. Assume that the square footage of U.S. homes is a normally distributed variable with a standard deviation of 626 square feet. If a house in the U.S. is selected at random, what is the probability that the square footage is less than 3,651? We have calculated a z-score and then using the normal distribution table determined that this probability would be 0.9382. But let's see how the TI graphing calculator can be used to arrive at the same result. In order to find a probability associated with the normal distribution using the TI graphing calculator, we should press second and then the DISTR VARS button. We're going to use the normal CDF function. So we'll press 2. In this case, we are looking for the area under the normal curve to the left of a given value. So we should use -1 E99 for our lower limit. For all practical purposes, this value extends the distribution past the point where significant probabilities would reside. Our upper limit is 3,651. The mean is 2,687. The standard deviation is 626. Then we should use the cursor to highlight paste and press enter. If you are using an older version of the TI graphing calculator, you may not be presented with the menu. In that case, the order that the values should take is lower limit, upper limit, mean, and standard deviation. Press enter, and the calculator has determined that this probability would be 0.9382. This agrees with the probability that was determined using the normal probability table. In this video, we learned how to use the TI graphing calculator to find a probability associated with a normally distributed random variable.